We decided to take a scooter to roam around. We are Indian Vietnamese family. We vlog about traveling and unschooling. Please subscribe us for more fun. And the weather is a little bit cold, so kids need to wear properly. I made this. You remember this? And this is the instant mask I just made right now because we didn't carry any mask. Here, Baba is here. Baba, give me the key.
It has started raining, so I think we have to.
That's why we should buy some raincoat.
No, we have to go down. Now, up.
Up? We're going up now. We're going to one of Nomadtuktuk team member. He owns a hostel here. It's so heavy. Look at me. Oh. This is Ross hostel. So colorful, so beautiful. Hi, Ross. We are in the Nomadtuktuk channel.
Okay. Right.
Yeah, you're not live. Just, So where are we going now?
Unschool village.
Wow, oh my God! Look at this. Oh, there's apple trees. The first time I never seen apple trees before. Yeah, and even this pear I never seen before. But we can't eat right now, right? It's too small. You can look down to the valleys below and mountain range around. We are in the apple plantation and so many apple and pear over around here. My God, I'm in love with this place because apple is my most favorite fruit ever. Look at the apple trees on the road like this. So many apple trees. I think after that I asked the Ross that we can collect some apple. And this is lungdu, the linger vegetable. That's only found in the mountain like this. They eat the young leaves and it tastes like morning glory. We tasted before and we collected before as well in the Dharamsala. Oh, so nice! Look at the views, and that's the snow mountain in front. This is a walnut tree. There's so many walnut drop on the floor. And what we see here? Oh, this is a slug. But it's a black slug, right? What we saw in Dharamsala, which color?
White.
Not white.
Peach.
Peach color. And this is black slug. And what plant here, do you know? Here. The plant here, they are growing. Okay. Here, do you know which plant? Which is it? So this is the bean. Green bean or this is what? This is what? Cabbage or cauliflower. Something like that. Cabbage, cauliflower look quite similar when they are small like this. The trees here, and look at this. I think it's ready.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so short. Yes. Okay, here. 3 is enough. trees are enough. One per. It's okay. Eat. We wash first and eat. Okay. They are. Oh, this plum. Plum. Wow.
These are ready.
Yeah. It's plum.
First, when we go home, we will need to wash it, cut it out, and check if the worms are inside.
So, gravity mean what? The magnet from the earth pull everything down, right? And that's why when the apples or whatever fruit ready, so this sperm can't hold anymore, and it's like you drop the ball. So what happened with Isaac Newton? You know, when he was lying below the apple tree like this, and he observed the apple fell down, and he thought, why the apple fell down like this? And he figured out the gravity. This one and see if we can eat this. I think it's a small apple trees. The apple tree that I just plucked. Good. Not bad. Good.
If we salt, it's bitter.
No flavor actually because it's too small.
But it's still like you can feel like you're eating it in.
Yeah, still have a little bit apple flavor.
Yeah, I like it.
Eat more, but don't pluck a lot. Okay, only when a little bit. That's chotu mango? No, it's not mango. That's small plum. Okay, let me give this to you. The taste different. This is dry plum. You can eat. Eat and see. This is so nice.
I wish we have like fruits.
Yeah, maybe sometime we settle down and we grow something. But this trees only can grow apple, plum, peach, apricot. Only can grow in the high mountain, the cold weather. It's not the tropical weather like Goa or Da Nang. It can't grow. Okay.
So what we can grow then?
Mango, jackfruit, whatever, banana, tropical fruits.
Apricot.
Wow, apricot. The color looks so nice. Do you need anyone to take care of all the plants? Or? Yeah, that's another kind of apricot.
Organic. Mostly it's an organic.
Yeah, I saw some a lot of worm on the trees. It's organic.
Worms are good. Because
Yeah. Worm is organic.
organic for
So after 2 months, you can harvest everything.
This pumpkin flower.
So there are two kinds of flowers, one male and one female. Male is doesn't have the fruit, the small fruit below like this. Is this male? And the female has the big. I don't know if you can see anything. No, here. So what
But
happened?
here, this one.
This one also male. So what happened? Okay, go here if you can find the female's flowers. Okay, so female and males what different? Have the big like young fruit in the end of the flower. And what happened? The bee, they will take the powder from the male flower to the female flower, and that's only the fruit becomes. Okay? Yes, that's male. So many birds around as well. They're eating fruits, plum, peach, apple, pear. Hi, bird.
Thank you for watching. So please subscribe us for more funny videos.